Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore how you can effortlessly record IPTV on your Firestick, using Reddit tips to make this process much easier. First, let's set up our Firestick. Make sure your device is connected to your TV and the internet, ready for the exciting setup of IPTV recording tools. Next, it's time to install the right app for recording. Many Reddit users recommend specific apps, so let's head to the Amazon App Store on your Firestick for downloads. After installation, configure your app settings as guided by online forums. Begin by linking your IPTV service, ensuring compatibility and readiness to start recording your favorite shows. Now you're all set to record IPTV content. Navigate to your IPTV guide and select shows to record. Save these to your desired location on the device. Finally, let's conclude. You now know how to master your Firestick for recording IPTV. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe.